Okay, we're here with Team RideMax Philippines and we want to show you some of the really special product from SABER Off-Road. Now, SABER, our background's always been ropes. It's always been products like soft shackles. What we want to do is give you guys an option for products at the front of your vehicle with your winch that actually offer a solution designed for rope. So many of you on the front of your vehicle, if you've got a winch, you have a Fairlead. You do not have a Fairlead looking as magunda as this, let me tell you. So these, all our alloy product here is coated with a coating called Cerakote from the US. It's available in red and black and gray. The cool thing about these colors, they don't just look amazing, they're also not gonna flake off, they're not gonna chip off, they're not going to fade. They're not going to start red and then become pink. Many of you with your hook, it's a big, heavy winch hook on the front. It looks pangit and it is heavy. You want it to look maganda and light. So this is our winch shackles. So you take your winch hook off, you put your winch thimble through, and then it comes and sits flush against the Fairlead. You might look at this and say it doesn't look like a hook. This is how it looks like a hook. By putting a soft shackle, like this one, straight through here. And then that becomes your hook. Now we have multiple designs. So we have this one, which is our winch shackle short. Then we have the slightly bigger one. Here is our gray. This is the winch shackle pro. It's a little bit larger, you can see, a little bit bigger, a little bit easier. You can grab and pull if you like. It's just a different design. We also have our winch shackle wedge. The cool thing about this, if you're doing hardcore wheeling and you're smashing up through the jungle and you're smashing up against the front of your vehicle, you will not damage your rope. It is very hard wearing. So that is our range of winch shackles. If you're at the back of your vehicle and you have a tow bar and maybe one of your friends is stuck and you have to pull them out, we have our alloy recovery hitches. Very, very light, but again, designed just for soft shackle. Soft shackle goes through and then you can pull your vehicle out. Again, this one is coated in Cerakote. Very, very hard wearing. So the full range of SABER alloy products are available through Team RideMax Philippines. Thank you.